Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I've shown my face in the place and said some grace. Hope you all have been well. I am starting my loc journey. Today is the 25th of August 2024. Yes, 2024. I cut my hair this past March 2024. And this is how it's grown. Haven't done really much to it. My plan is on the 26th of February 2025 to get my hair locked, but I want to get I have a problem area right here in the center of my head. I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it, but my hair is so black. This is the patch that I'm working on for the next 6 months, along with keeping my hair hydrated and such. Today is day 0 because I'm going to do what Farida from Naturally Curly Proverbs, or Curly Proverbs, one of those YouTube handles. She does right before wash day an oil massage. Now, I do have this scalp massager for shampoo, which is what I'm going to end up using, along with the blend that is on Whitney's channel from Natural 85. Her oil blend, I think it's called Hair, Nail, and Body Oil, one of those. If you search her channel, you'll see that she has a lot of recipes, and the majority of them work on my kind of hair because her and I have the same hair texture. So, day 0, I'll check in. Let's see, tomorrow's Monday, the 26th, which is when I'm going to start washing my hair. So I'm going to wash my hair every Monday and Thursday. The other thing I'm doing is I want to say her name is Green Beauty Natural channel, Green Beauty's YouTube channel. I can't remember her name right now. She has an onion and garlic tincture that you can either make in the blender or put on the stove. And on Mondays, I'm going to do the one from the blender. On Thursdays, I'm going to do the one from the stove, which includes cayenne pepper. So I have a little bit of a break. And my goal is just to have healthy hair when I lock up. Locking my hair happens naturally by without any assistance, but I'd like to be able to have, I want to say, about 80 locks in my hair, 80 to 100. I'm thinking more 80, towards 80 locks in my hair for my journey. I have plans to go to South Korea fall of 2025. I don't know how it's going to happen, but I'm putting it out there. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope you all have been well. And I will check in on, let's see, when do I want to do check-ins? I think I'm going to do check-ins every Monday. So today is going to count for Monday since it's day 0. So next week, Monday, I'll come back and just, give you an update, tell you how it feels and such. All right then, take care.